Hi, my name's Julian Caplan and I'm the dentist at Aviva Dentistry Limited in St Albans. Some of you may know me as a president of the Digital Dentistry Society, which we set up in 2019, and I was president of the British Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry in 2013. In my practice here, we are very digital. That's my thing, and so I've always looked for a lab that goes along with my ethos and my ideas. Here, very near to me, and just literally 15 minutes away, there's Sherring Lucas Dental Laboratory. And I've got a case up on my screen here which shows sort of my relationship with them in a dental world. So my big thing, the reason why I like digital so much, is the communication. This allows me, these tools of my scanner and my photography, allows me to have really good communication, and Sherring Lucas are really used to that. So you need to find a lab, if you're going to get involved in digital dentistry, you need to find a lab who understands the digital workflow, and they certainly do. So I will send this scan over to them. This is with Sherring, so I use Sirona Connect, and we can send that directly over to Sherring Lucas. They can actually check my preparations. I do a few checks myself, but they can actually check the preparations for me, and they can ring me back immediately, say, oh, I don't know if you've got enough room there, or maybe the angulation is not quite right there, or things like that. So communication for me is critical, and Sherring Lucas are really good at that. They will ring me up if there's any issues, usually not, but they can be. Secondly, I want to really make sure that they're consistent with their work. And again, in my world, digitally, these things are really accurate now. And so the work I get back from Sherring Lucas, the accuracy, the margins are absolutely beautiful. And that happens all the way through. So again, if you're getting involved with laboratories, you want to have that consistency. And then sort of finally, it's their creativity. They are really artistic. And nowadays, we're very keen on zirconium, and they are really good at these newer zirconiums, these high translucency zirconiums. And in this case, we had a patient with a really, really heavy bite, and this patient needed zirconium. And in the old days, that would have been way too white. Well, Sherring Lucas has really got it down. And so if I have a monolithic zirconium restoration that I want to have for the strength, we'll send it over to Sherring Lucas, and they give us a beautiful restorations. So I really couldn't recommend them enough. They are very communicative, they are very creative, and actually one of the big things, which I'm sure you all will understand this, is that when they say the work's going to be there, the work is there. So I can rely on the due date for the work to come back. So please, if you're looking at a lab, have a good look at Sherring Lucas. Can only recommend them.